children, today we are going to learn English Balbharati of Standard 6. So let's start. But before we start, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell that you will get all the notifications of my video. So let's start. So children, today we are going to learn Don't Give Up, the poem. This is poem number 1. The poetess for this one is Phoebe Cary. Okay, so let's start reading. If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. All that's great and good is done just by patient trying. Okay, now what is this para saying? I'll explain it to you. Okay, if you have tried, okay, and have not won, you have not won. Don't cry, never stop for crying. All that's great and good is done just by patient trying. You just have to keep some patience. If you keep patience, you will do your best the next time. You have to just try. You have to try hard. So you will know how to do. Okay? That's only the para saying. I will read again. You understand. Okay? If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. All that's great and good is done just by patient trying. Okay? You understood this para? Okay, I'll make you understand again. Okay? If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. Don't cry. All that's great and good is done just by patient trying. You just have to have some patience. If you do patience, everything will be you can do better next time. Yes, you can do better. So let's go to the next stanza. The young birds in flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. What is this para saying? When a baby bird is born, does it fly? Does it start flying as soon as possible? No, it takes time. When it's small, then it becomes little big, and he goes out of the nest. His mama, his parents give him manners, how to fly, how to do. Their parents support. Okay, the parents support the baby bird. Okay, is it like that when a baby bird born, it just starts flying as soon as possible? No, it takes time, right? So though young birds in flying fall, still their wings grow stronger. They be strong as soon as they grow up, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. Okay, you all understood this? I'm reading again. Okay, the young birds in flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. So girls, let's go to the next para. So children, the next para, let's read. Though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that bowed it is. She has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. Now what is the meaning of loftier? Loftier means taller and stronger. Okay, so let us understand what is the meaning of this stanza. Though the sturdy oak, now sturdy oak is a tree, has known many a blast, many storms came, tsunamis came, floods came. She fell down, the oak tree fell down. But she didn't lose hope. The tree didn't lose hope. It grew again strong and prouder. Loftier, it means I told you stronger. Okay? Stronger, loftier and prouder. Okay? I will read it again for you. Though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that bowed her, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. So you all understood this? So let's do the next para, last para but not the least. If by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you? Gaining victory from defeats, that's the test that tries you. If you do easy work, who the work you beat, who the more will prize you? Gaining victory from defeat, that's the test. It is the test that tries you. Okay, I'm reading it again for you. If by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you? Gaining victory from defeat, that's the test that tries you. So girls, now we are going to do the question answers for this. So let's continue. So children, here we are going to I'm just going to make you understand the meanings. So let's understand it. Give up. Here it means lose heart and stop trying. Here it means lose heart and stop trying. Give up means here you lose heart, you don't do it again anymore. I think no, I can't do it. It means like that. Okay. Steady means strong. Yes, steady. Okay, steady means strong. Has known many a blast. Has survived many blows of stormy winds, as I told you. Okay. Has known many a blast. Has survived. Okay, this is survived. You have to learn the important big spellings. Okay, I'm going to write, so everyone will write after me. Okay. Has survived many a blows of stormy winds. Loftier, taller and stronger. I told you it's mean taller and stronger. You beat, here it means you win. You beat means here it means you win. You win. You beat, here it means you win. Now we are going to write. Okay. So children, now we are going to write the meanings. So I am going to write. You write with me. Okay. Give up. Okay. So here it means lose heart and stop trying. Okay, I'll read it for you. Here it means lose heart and stop trying. Okay, so let's write the second meaning. Steady. Okay, steady. Steady means strong. Okay. Has known many a blast. Has known many a blast. It means has survived. 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 Many blows. Many blows. BLOWS and stormy winds. WINDS. Okay. Loftier. Okay, here it is loftier. Loftier means taller and stronger. It means, okay, strong. You beat. Here it means you win. Okay, WIN, win. So girls, now we are going to write the rhyming words. Okay, now we will write the rhyming words. So let's continue. So children, now we are going to find the rhyming words. They are in 2 stanzas. So I'll tell you what are the rhyming words. So they are in the first stanza, one and done. Okay, so it's one and done. One, WON, one, DON, done. Now when we say, it becomes rhyming, right? One and done. Now it's crying and trying. Ing is there, right? Can you see? If we cut this, ing, ing. So crying and trying. Okay. Now there's no in these 2 stanzas. They are not there. So we'll write. Now what is there? Known, grown. Okay. Own is there here. So grown and known. Okay. Last but not least, year prouder. Year prouder. So now we will write it in our book. So let's write. Okay. So I'll write like this, rhyming words. Rhyming words I'll write, okay? Rhyming words. Okay? Okay. First one is one and done. This one. One and done. One. Done. This is in the first stanza. So we'll write here first stanza. Okay. Okay. One more is there. Yes. So I'm writing at beside. I'm writing. You can even write down. It's crying and trying. And okay, I'm sorry, girls. Okay, these two are the rhyming words. Now the second, what is here? Known, grown, her and prouder. Known, grown, her and prouder. Let's write known, grown. Okay, this is first stanza. Oh, sorry, third stanza. Third stanza. Girls, this para, many people say that stanza is different or para different. No, girls, both are same only. Stanza and paragraphs are same only, okay? These are just, it is known as stanza. And the paragraphs, you know, what are paragraphs? These are known as paragraphs, okay? These are known as paragraphs. And girls, if you have not seen my this video, reading basics, so please go and see on my channel. So, 3 stanza. Okay, it's on the third stanza. So, one was there, known and grown, and here, her and prouder. Her and prouder. Okay. So, girls, I'm showing you this again. So you see this first, copy it down, see this nicely. I'll read it for you again. Yes, I'm reading. Give up, here it means lose heart and stop trying. Study, strong. Has known many a blast, has survived many blows and stormy winds. Loftier, taller and stronger. You beat, here it means you win. Now rhyming words. One done and crying and trying is in the first stanza. Known, grown, her and prouder is in the third stanza. Okay, girls. So girls, how did you like my video? If you liked it, so please like, share and subscribe. Like, share and subscribe to my channel there and click the bell icon that you will get all the notifications for my video. So friends, I will meet you in my next video. For that time, be safe at your home. For that time, take care of yourself and bye bye.